statement is there. First statement leave it as it is. And vehicle movement with there be on-site facility should be covered in the material.
That's right.
Vehicle movement will be and should be covered in the traffic management plan.
That's it.
Okay, remove the first line option installation.
Yeah, sure.
Remove the installation.
Absolutely. Are there any buildings? No.
No.
Are there any buildings spot? No. Are there any temporary refuge? No. Have you started specific emergency plan?
Yeah.
Prepared? Yes, the emergency bridging. You have existing?
No, there is
Construction ERP
will be prepared.
is in place. So ERP, okay, will be prepared. Will be prepared, right?
Is
in place. Is in place.
Is in place. That thing, the ERP is there, right? Rajuddin?
Yeah, it is there. It is there.
It's approved. Approved, right? Has there been any change in the controls? No.
You will put a civil project,
Civil project. I put a civil project.
That will be prepared.
Has there been modification? No.
No.
The same thing. MOPO? No.
No.
Not applicable. Okay. Has there never come? No. Out of CISPA. Right?
Then in neighboring group company operating facility where all wishing that may impacted due to the project, yes, it may be, but
No facility.
no, we are saying we have a group company. They are not still at one. They are next to your random refinery. As they will be impacted by this one or no?
No. Because this is the filling job.
Then never will know.
I undo it.
Okay, you say what is limited to civil or construction activity at the site specific.
Yeah.
So
It's the existing facility, right? We say no existing facility. Under concession area, right? Under concession area.
One minute. Are there any neighboring group company operating facilities are available in the vicinity? Yes. If there will be operating company, yes. However, see the thing is, problem is we are only limited to civil construction activity. So